and welcome back. Today we're going to be making another Cantonese dish, which is steamed beef and egg over rice. First, we're going to mince the beef by rapidly chopping it with a cleaver or a sharp knife, and then we're going to add in the water little by little as we're chopping our meat. You can choose to buy minced beef or you can just chuck it into a blender, but I like hand chopping it because it provides a better texture and gives it a little bit of bounciness when you steam the beef. We're going to keep chopping it until it becomes a bit paste-like. It should only take about 10 minutes for this process. Once we've got our minced beef, we're going to place it into a bowl along with the soy sauce, potato starch, mirin, sugar, sesame oil and pepper. Give them a mix until it's evenly combined. We're then going to place the meat over a bowl of rice. You can use overnight rice or you can use freshly steamed rice as well. I'm then making a little indent in the middle of the meat because this is where the egg will sit. We're then going to place it into a steamer that's already over boiling water and then steam it for 5 minutes. Then after the 5 minutes is up, we're going to place the egg white over the beef and then steam it for another 5 minutes. Once it's cooked, we're going to place the egg yolk over the top and then pour on some soy sauce. Depending on how you like your egg cooked, you can place the whole egg over the beef in the steamer. The reason why I'm adding the egg yolk raw is because I'll be mixing it into the rice and the residual heat will be enough to cook the yolk so that it's just cooked enough to add a bit of creaminess, which is the way I like it. And that's all there is to it. Super quick, simple and delicious. Thanks for watching and please remember to like and subscribe.